Hello students. So today topic is first of all we have to going to see on rank of a matrix. So what is the definition of rank of a matrix? See here, the rank of the matrix A is defined as the dimension of the column space of A. So here, what is the rank of a matrix here? The rank of a matrix A is defined as the dimension of the column space of A. We have here we have to find out column space of A. That dimension is called a rank of a matrix. Okay, so the rank of the matrix A is defined as the dimension of the column space of A. This is the rank of a matrix. Okay, so note here, since row A is equal to column of A transpose, the dimension of row A is the rank of A transpose. Okay, since row A is equal to column of A transpose, is the idea undali. The dimension of the dimension of row A is the rank of A transpose. Okay, the dimension of the rank A is the rank of A transpose. So the dimension of the null space is sometimes called as nullity. So null space is sometimes called the nullity. Okay. So first example problem, see here, find the rank of A where A is equal to 1 minus 4 9 minus 7 first row, and second row is minus 1 2 minus 4 1, and third row is 5 minus 6 10 7. So solution, given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 4 9 minus 7 minus 1 2 minus 4 1 5 minus 6 10 7. Okay, so we have to do in first row, second row first column, and third row first column elements are zeros. So R2 tends to R2 plus R1, and in R3 R3 minus 5R1. So here first row, second row, in we have to we have to add first row and second row, and we have to subtract R3 minus 3 sorry 5R1. So first of all, first row is same, 1 minus 4 9 minus 7, and second row is minus 1 plus 1 0, and next 2 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and minus 4 plus 9 is 5, and 1 minus 7 is minus 6. Okay, next third row, 5 minus 5, we have to multiply with the row 1 with 5, and subtract with R3 minus 5R1. So 5 minus 5 is 0, and next minus 6 plus 20 is 14, and next 10 minus 45, so minus 35, and next 7 minus 35, we get 7 minus of minus plus 35, so we get here 42. So in R3 we have to do the operation R3 plus 7 R2. So first row second row is same, 1 minus 4 9 minus 7, and next is 0 minus 2 5 minus 6, and next third row we have to do the operation R3 plus 7 R2, that is nothing but we have to multiply with the R2 with 7 and add with R3. So 0 plus 0 is 0, and next 14 plus 7 into minus 2, we get here minus 14 plus 14 0, and next minus 35 plus 7 into 5, so minus 35 plus 35 0, and next 42 minus 42, we get 0. Okay, so next the above matrix first and second columns are pivot columns. So see here, first column and so here first column and second columns are pivot columns. See here, this first column and this is second columns are pivot columns are and next therefore A has the pivot column, so that is first and second column. So basis for column A is equal to, so first and second columns here 1 minus 5, sorry 1 minus 1 5, and 4 2 minus 6. So this is the basis for column space A. And next how many vectors is there? 2 vectors. So dimension of column A is equal to 2. We know that what is the definition of rank? Dimension of column space is called a rank. So rank of A is equal to 2 here 2. Okay, so next one example problem is there. Okay, find here rank and nullity null A. So next rank theorem. So first of all statement, the dimension of the column space and the row space of an m by n matrix are equal. Thus common dimension, the rank of A are also equal to the number of pivot columns in A, and satisfy the equation rank A plus dimension of null A is equal to n, or dimension of column A plus dimension of null A is equal to n. So this statement in this దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాజ్ ఎంట్రన్సెస్ పర్పస్లో మనకి ఇది యూజ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఐడియా ఉండాలి. సో చూడండి, ర్యాంక్ థీరం, ద డైమెన్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కాలమ్ స్పేస్ అండ్ ద రో స్పేస్ ఆఫ్ an m by n matrix are equal. So dimensions, the column space and also row space of m by n matrix both are equal. Okay, thus common dimension, the rank of A also equals to the number of pivot columns in A. డైమెన్షన్ కూడా ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, పివోట్ కాలమ్స్ ఇన్ ఏ అండ్ సాటిస్ఫై ద ఈక్వేషన్. ఏ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? ర్యాంక్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ డైమెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ నల్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్, ఆర్ dimension of column A, the dimension of column A, rank A both equal. So dimension of column A plus dimension of null A is equal to n. Okay, so see here, dimension of column A is equal to number of pivot columns, dimension of null A is equal to number of free variables. So here number of pivot columns plus add these two, so number of pivot columns plus number of non pivot columns is equal to n. ఓకేనా? సో పివట్ కాలమ్స్, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ నాన్ పివట్ కాలమ్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఇఫ్ ద నల్ స్పేస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ 7/6 matrix A is 5 dimensional, what is the dimension of A, dimension of column A? So if the null space of A 7/6 matrix A is 5 dimensional, and what is the dimension of column A? See here, by rank theorem we know that rank A plus dimension of null A is equal to n. So dimension of null A given here 5 and n is equal to what here? 6. M by n matrix, so here n is nothing but 6. So dimension of column A plus 5 is equal to 6. So dimension of 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, this is by using rank theorem we have to find out the dimension of column A. Let A be an n by n matrix. If A is an invertible matrix, then the following statements are equivalent. So see here, first of all, here A is an n by n matrix, A is an invertible matrix, then the following statements are equivalent. So here A is n by n matrix and also A is invertible, then only these 8 conditions are satisfied. First one is, the columns of A form linearly independent set, the columns of A span R to the power of n, the columns of A form a basis for R to the power of n, and next column A is equal to R to the power of n and dimension of column A is equal to n, and next rank A is equal to n, next null A is equal to singleton 0 and dimension of null A is equal to 0. So the columns of A form a linearly independent set. సో ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఉన్న కాలమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ సెట్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తే, ద కాలమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ స్పాన్ ఆర్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ద కాలమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఫామ్ ఏ బేసిస్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్, and next columns of A form R to the power of n basis, and next column of A is equal to R to the power of n and dimension of column A is equal to n, rank A is equal to n, and also next 7th one is null A is equal to, we get here singleton 0 bar and dimension of null A is equal to 0. So change of basis. So suppose beta is equal to b1 bar, b2 bar, dash dash dash, bn bar is a basis for v and x bar is a vector in v. The coordinates of x bar relative to the basis beta, the scalar c1 c2 dash 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 cn, such that x bar is equal to c1 v1 bar plus c2 v2 c1 v1 bar plus c2 v2 bar plus up to so on cn bn bar. So x bar with respect to the basis beta is equal to, coordinates are constants here c1 c2 dash 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 cn. So once again, see here, beta is a basis for v, beta is equal to b1 bar, b2 bar, dash dash dash, bn bar is a basis for v. This is the basis for the vector space v, and we have to take here one vector from v, one vector from x bar v. Okay, that is x bar is a vector in v. The coordinates of x bar related to the basis beta. So here x bar related to the basis beta, the scalars are here, we have to take c1 c2 dash 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 cn, such that x bar is equal to c1 b1 bar plus c2 b2 bar plus up to so on cn bn bar. So x bar with respect to the basis beta, coordinates are c1 c2 dash 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 cn. So here let beta is equal to b1 bar b2 bar dash b1 bar b2 bar b3 bar b4 bar be a basis bar r to the power of n r to the power of 4, where b1 bar is equal to 1100 and b2 bar is equal to 2010 and b3 bar is equal to 012 minus 1 and b4 bar is equal to 01 minus 1 0. If x bar is equal to 1 2 minus 6 2 and compute here x bar beta, that is nothing but we have to find out the coordinates of x bar. So given b1 bar, b2 bar, b3 bar, b4 bar and x bar. So see here we given four vectors b1 bar, b2 bar, b3 bar, b4 bar. This is a basis for r to the power of n, and given one vector and x bar is equal to 1 2 minus 6 2. So we have to compute here x bar beta, that is coordinates of x bar. So given b1 bar, b2 bar, b3 bar, b4 bar and x bar, there exist some scalars c1 comma c2 comma c3 comma c4 such that x bar is equal to c1 b1 bar plus c2 b2 bar plus c3 b3 bar plus c4 b4 bar. So substitute here all x bar b1 bar b2 bar b3 bar b4 bar. So x bar is equal to 1 2 minus 6 2 and c1 into b1 bar here 1100 plus C2 into B2 bar 2010 plus C3 into B3 bar here 012 minus 1 plus C4 into B4 bar 01 minus 1 0. Okay, and next here write down the matrix form. So first column is 1100, second column 2010, third column 012 minus 1, fourth column 01 minus 1 0, and here c1 c2 c3 c4, that is equal to 1 2 minus 6 2. Okay, write down the augmented matrix here. So augmented matrix ax bar is equal to 1 2 0 0 1. I'm telling row wise, and second row is 1 0 1 1 2, and third row is 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 6, and fourth one is 0 0 minus 1 0 2. So augmented matrix, after we have to apply row operations. So r2 minus r1. So first row is 1 2 0 0 1, and second row 1 0 1 1. We have to apply this r2 minus r1. So 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 2 minus 2 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 0 1, and next 2 minus 1 is 1. So remaining rows the r3 and r4 is same. So R3 is 0 1 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 6, and fourth row is 0 0 minus 1 0 2. Okay, so next in R1 we have to apply R1 minus 2 R3 and R2 plus 2 R3. Okay, so R2 minus 2 R3. So 2 R2 plus 2 R3 plus 2 R3. So 1 next 1 minus 2 minus 2 0, and next 0 minus 4. So 2 r3 so 4, so we get here minus 4. Okay, next r1 lo 0 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So next 1 minus 2 into minus 6, that is 13. Okay, so next in r2 we have to apply r2 plus 2 r3. So 0 plus 0 0, and next minus 2 plus 2 0, and next 1 plus 4 5, and next 1 plus 2 into minus 1, we get minus 1, and next minus 11. Okay, in r3 r4 same, 0 1 2 minus 1 minus 6, and next 0 0 minus 1 0 2. Okay, next we have to apply r1 to r1 లో r1 plus 2 r2 అప్లై చేయండి, r3 లో r3 minus r2 అప్లై చేయండి. సో r1 plus 2 r2 చేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది మీకు ఇక్కడ 1 plus 0 0 and 0 plus 0 0 minus 4 plus 10 6, and next 2 minus 2 0, and next 13 minus 22 minus 9. Okay, next in r2 is same, 0 0 5 minus 1 minus 11. నెక్స్ట్ r3లో r3 మైనస్ r2 చేయండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ r1 ప్లస్ 2. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ r2 ప్లస్ 2 r3 కంప్లీటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ r3 మైనస్ r2. So 0 minus 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1 0, and minus 6 plus 11 is minus 5. So R4 is same 0 0 minus 1 0 2, and next R2 low in we have to multiply with R2 minus. So first row is 1 0 6 0 minus 9, and next is 0 0 minus 5 1 11, and third row 0 1 minus 3 0 minus 5, and next fourth row is same 0 0 minus 1 0 2. So we have to apply R4 plus 4 R4. So 1 0, next 2 0 minus 1, I am saying directly. So next 0 0 minus 5 1 11, next 0 1 minus 3 0 minus 5, and next 0 0 minus 1 0 2. So write down the equations format. So C1 plus 2C3 is equal to minus 1, and next minus 5C3 plus C4 is equal to 11, and next C2 minus 3C3 is equal to minus 5, and next minus C3 is equal to 2. So C3 is equal to minus 2. Substitute in equation 1, we get C1 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So C1 is equal to 3. So from equation 2, C4 is equal to 1. We have to substitute this all in 3. So from 3, C2 is equal to minus 1. So x bar beta is equal to, substitute here C1, C2, C3, C4 values. So C1 is equal to 3, and C2 is equal to minus 1, and C3 is equal to minus 2, and C4 is equal to 1. Therefore C1 is equal to 3, C2 is equal to minus 1, C3 is equal to minus 2, C4 is equal to 1. So next problems is there. So next, change of coordinate matrix from beta to C. So let beta is equal to b1 bar b2 bar dash 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 bn bar, and c is equal to c1 bar c2 bar dash 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 cn bar be two bases of vector space P. Then there exists m by n matrix P beta to C such that x bar C is equal to P beta to C x bar beta. The column of P beta to C are the coordinates vector in the base beta. So therefore P beta to C is equal to b1 C, next b2 bar C, and next up to so on bn bar C. So see here, change of coordinate matrix from beta to C. Here we have to take two bases, that is beta and C. Here be two bases of vector space V. There exists here m by n matrix. So P beta to C such that x bar C, here x bar with respect to the basis C coordinates is equal to P beta to C x bar beta. The column of P beta to C are the C coordinate vectors in the base beta. So see here, P beta to C is equal to b1 bar C, b2 bar C dash 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 bn bar C. Therefore P beta to C is called the change of coordinate matrix from beta to C. So first problem here, let b1 bar is equal to 7 5, b2 bar is equal to minus 3 minus 1, c1 bar is equal to 1 minus 5, and next c2 bar is equal to minus 2 2. Let beta is equal to b1 bar comma b2 bar, and c is equal to c1 bar comma c2 bar be a basis for R2. Find the change of coordinate matrix from beta to C and change of coordinate matrix from C to beta. So see here, first of all, given two four vectors b1 bar, b2 bar, b3, c1 bar, c2 bar. Here b1 bar, b2 bar is the basis for P, and c1 bar, c2 bar is the basis for C. Here first one is find the change of coordinate matrix from beta to C. Here first change of coordinate matrix we have to find out beta to C. After that we have to find out C to A beta. So solution, given b1 bar is equal to 7 5, and b2 bar is equal to minus 3 minus 1, and c1 bar is equal to 1 minus 5, and c2 bar is equal to minus 2 2. So let we have to see here, b1 bar C is equal to x1 x2, and b2 bar C is equal to y1 y2. So b1 bar is equal to x1 c1 plus x2 c2. So x1 into c1 c2 is nothing but substitute c1 is equal to 1 minus 5, and next plus x2 into c2 here minus 2 2. So b1 bar is equal to 7 5 is equal to, write down in matrix form here. So 1 minus 2 minus 5 2 into x1 x2. So after that b2 bar is equal to y1 c1 bar plus y2 c2 bar. So b2 bar is equal to here 3 minus 1 is equal to y1 into C1 bar here 1 minus 5 plus y2 into minus 2 2. So write down here also matrix form minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 5 2 and y1 y2. This is equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2 by 2 by row reducing the augmented matrix to reduce echelon form. Okay, now echelon form is nothing but we have to convert. This is a triangular form. Okay, మనం ఈక్వేషన్లో ఏం చేయాలి 0 0 0. ఓకే, echelon form 1001. Sorry. So first one is from equation 1 1 minus 2 minus 5 2, and next second from equation 2 7 minus 3 5 minus 1. So here we have to apply r2 plus r2 plus 5r1. So 1 minus 2 7 minus 3 first row is same. Next we have to multiply with 5 and adding with r2. So minus 5 plus 5 0, and 2 minus 10 is minus 8. Next 5 plus 35 40 minus 1 minus 15. So sorry, minus 1 minus 15 minus 16. So we have to divide with r2 minus 8. So first row is same, 1 minus 2 7 minus 3, and next 0 by 8 minus 8 is 0, minus 8 by 8 minus minus 8 by 8 is 1, and next 40 by minus 8 is minus 5, minus 16 by minus 8 is 2. So in r1 we have to do the operation r1 plus 2 r2. So we have to multiply with r2 with 2 and next adding with r1. So 0 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, and next minus 2 plus 2 0, and next minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3, and next last one is 4 minus 3 is 1. So next p beta 2 c is equal to, here we get the value is minus 3 1 minus 5 2. So p beta 2 c whole inverse is equal to p c2 beta is equal to, we have to do the inverse. So minus 3 1 minus 5 2 whole inverse is equal to, we know that 1 by ad minus bc into d minus b minus c a. So write down here 1 minus 1 by minus 6 plus 5 into d is 2 minus 1 5 minus 3. So 1 by minus 1 into 2 minus 1 5 minus 3. So we have to multiply with the minus. So minus 2 1 minus 5 3. So here we have to find out first beta to c. So after that we have to apply inverse. We get c2 beta whole c p beta to c2 beta value. Okay, so here first we have to write down the b1 bar value, b2 bar value. After that we have to write down augmented matrix. After that we have to do row operations. We get the p beta 2 c value. After that we get మనకి p c2 beta కావాలంటే p beta 2 c వాల్యూకి ఇన్వర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకి p c2 beta వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ ఇట్. So next is eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So if A is an n by n matrix, then a non-zero vector x bar satisfying ax bar is equal to lambda x bar for some scalars lambda, then x bar is called eigenvector of A. So see here, A is a n by n matrix, that is square matrix, then a non-zero vector x bar. Here x bar is a non-zero vector. Here it satisfies the condition ax bar is equal to lambda x bar. So here x bar is satisfying the condition ax bar is equal to lambda x bar for some scalar lambda, then x bar is called eigenvector of A. Okay, so first example problem, A is equal to 5 minus 3 minus 4 9, and u bar is equal to 3 2. Okay, so we have to check the condition ax bar is equal to lambda x bar. So x bar here u bar. So see here a into u bar is equal to a, here a is 5 minus 3 minus 4 9, and u bar here 3 2. So multiply with these two matrices. So 3 into first column 5 minus 4, and 2 into second column minus 3 9, that is equal to 15 minus 6, that is 9, minus 12 plus 18, so 6. So we have to take 3 is outside, so 3 2. సో ఏ u bar is equal to, I'm writing here 3 into u bar. సో u bar వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉంది మనకి 3 2. సో 3 is outside రాస్తే మనకి ఏ u bar is equal to 3 into u bar. సో u bar is an eigen vector of A. సో ఇక్కడ lambda is equal to ఎంత మనకి 3. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ a is equal to 2 4 3 0 and x bar is equal to 1 2. So here ax bar is equal to 2 4 3 0 1 2. So we have to multiply this to 1 into 2 3 plus 2 into 4 0. So here 2 plus 8 10 and next 3 plus 0 3. So here we have to ఇక్కడ 10 3 ఉంది, దీంట్లో మనం ఏం కామన్ తీయడానికి రాదు. సో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, ల్యాండా ఇంటూ 1 2 ఏఎక్స్ బార్ నాట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ల్యాండా ఇంటూ 1 2. 1 2 అనేది ఎక్స్ బార్. ఓకే, మనకి ఏం రాయాలి, ఏఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ల్యాండా ఎక్స్ బార్. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ బార్ రావట్లేదు కాబట్టి ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ నాట్ అన్ ఐగన్ వెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఓకేనా, ఇది ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ అండ్ ఐగన్ వెక్టర్స్ టాపిక్ ఈజ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ఎంట్రన్సెస్ పర్పస్ and also theory examination. So after that we have to see definition. Let A be an n by n matrix. A scalar lambda is called an eigenvalue of A if there is a non-trivial solution x bar of Ax bar is equal to lambda x bar such that x bar is called eigenvector corresponding to lambda. Okay, here first of all A అనేది n by n matrix. A scalar lambda అని ఇక్కడ ఏమంటాం మనం స్కేలార్, అండ్ లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఐగన్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఇక్కడ లాంబ్డాను ఏకి ఐగన్ వాల్యూ అని అనాలంటే మనకి ఏం కావాలంటున్నాం చూడండి, ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ నాన్ ట్రివియల్ సొల్యూషన్ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఏఎక్స్ బార్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు లాంబ్డా ఎక్స్ బార్ సచ్ దట్ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఐగన్ వెక్టర్ కరస్పాండింగ్ టు లాంబ్డా. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ ఏ అనేది n by n మ్యాట్రిక్స్, లాంబ్డా అనేది స్కేలార్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ బార్ అనేది ఐగన్ వెక్టర్. ఓకే, సో సీ హియర్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం. లెట్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3 2 3 8 అండ్ లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ఫైండ్ ఎక్స్ బార్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం, ఐగన్ వెక్టర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో గివెన్ a is equal to 3 2 3 8 and lambda is equal to 2. Here I am taking x bar is equal to x1 x2. We know that the condition ax bar is equal to lambda x bar. So I am taking lambda x bar into LHS side. So ax bar minus lambda x bar is equal to 0 bar. Ax bar minus I am writing here lambda I into x bar is equal to 0 bar. Here I am taking x bar is outside. So a minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 bar. So we know that lambda is equal to 2. Substitute here lambda is equal to 2 in above equation. So a minus 2i into x bar is equal to 0 bar. So substitute here a value and x bar value. So here a value is, a matrix is 3 2 3 8 minus 2 into, we know that identity matrix I 1 0 0 1 and next x bar is x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. So subtract here 3 minus 2 1 and next 2 minus 0 0, sorry 2 minus 0 2 and next 3 minus 0 3 and next 8 minus 2 is 6, x1 x2 that is equal to 0 0. So write down the equations. So x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0, 3x1 plus 6x2 is equal to 0. So in equation 2 we have to take 3 is outside, so we get x1 plus x2 is 2x2 is equal to 0. So x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0 and x1 plus x2 2x2 is equal to, both the equations are same. So in that I am taking x2 is equal to k. So substitute x2 is equal to k in above equation, we get x1 plus 2k is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to minus 2k. So substitute x1 and x2 values in x bar, that is eigenvector. So x bar is equal to x1 x2. So that is equal to x bar is equal to, x1 is minus 2k and x2 is k. So we have to write down k is outside. So k of minus 2 1, where k is a non-zero element. Okay, k is not is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, that totally we get here 0. Okay, so k of minus 2 minus 2 1 is an eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equal to 2. అంటే ఇక్కడ k of minus 2 minus 2 1 అనేది ఐగన్ వెక్టర్. ఎప్పుడు ఇది ఐగన్ వెక్టర్, లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అయినప్పుడు ఇది ఐగన్ వెక్టర్ కరస్పాండింగ్ టు లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. ఓకే, నోట్ హియర్ lambda is an eigen value of A if and only ax bar is equal to lambda x bar for some non-zero vector. Okay, lambda is an eigen value of A, it satisfies the condition ax bar is equal to lambda x bar for some non-zero vector. Next, if and only A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 has a non-trivial solution lambda is an eigenvalue of A. Okay, these two conditions are satisfied. So definition, see here, eigenspace definition. So if A is an n by n matrix and lambda is a scalar, then the set of all solutions of A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 is called the eigenspace of A corresponding to lambda. So see here, first of all, A is an n by n matrix and lambda is a scalar. Then eigenspace is definition here. Then the set of all solutions of A minus lambda I into x bar is equal to 0. The set of all solutions of A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 is called eigenspace of A corresponding to lambda. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఐగన్ స్పేస్ అంటే ద సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ సొల్యూషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మైనస్ లాంబ్డా ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. It is called a eigenspace of corresponding to lambda. Okay, if suppose lambda is equal to 1, one solution is exist, lambda is equal to 2, another solution is exist, like that. The set of all solutions of A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 is called eigenspace of A corresponding to that lambda value. Okay, so next is here one example problem. Let A is equal to 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 and lambda is equal to 4 be an eigenvalue of A. So A is equal to 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 and lambda is equal to 4 here. So we know that the equation is A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 bar. So I'm writing here A bar value, A matrix and lambda value, and also x bar. Here I am taking x bar is equal to x1 x2. Okay, so A is 10 minus 9 4 minus 2 minus 4 into 1001 and x1 x2, that is equal to 0 0. Okay, so 10 minus 9 4 minus 2, so minus we have to multiply with 4 with identity matrix 4004 x1 x2, that is equal to 0 0. So we have to subtract these two matrices. Okay, so 10 minus 4 6 minus 9 minus 0 minus 9 4 minus 0 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. We get this matrix. Okay, that is nothing but this one. Okay, so we have to write down next augmented matrix A0 bar. A0 bar is equal to 6 minus 9 4 minus 6 0 0. So R1, in R1 we have to apply R1 by 3 in and next in R2 R2 by 2. ఓకేనా, అంటే R1ని 3తోనే డివైడ్ చేయండి, R2ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 6 by 3 2 అండ్ మైనస్ 9 by 3 మైనస్ 3 0. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ R2 with 1 by 2, సో 4 by 2 2 మైనస్ 6 by 2 మైనస్ 3 0. సో ఇప్పుడు R2లో ఏం చేయండి, R2 మైనస్ R1 చేయండి. సో చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది మీకు, R1 ఈజ్ సేమ్, so R2 is same, R1 is same, 2 minus 3 0 and 2 minus 2 0 minus 3 plus 3 0 0 minus 0 0. So write down the equation. So 2x1 minus 3x2 is equal to 0. In that I am taking x2 is equal to k. So substitute x2 is equal to k in above equation. We get 2x1 minus 3k is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to 3 by 2 into k. So x bar is equal to x1 x2, that is equal to x1 value is 3 by 2 into k and x2 value is k. So k, write down k is outside. So x bar is equal to k of 3 by 2 1. Okay, therefore the general solution x bar is equal to x1 x2, that is equal to k of 3 by 2 comma 1. Therefore the eigenspace of A corresponding to lambda consists of the 0 vector 0 0 and all vectors of the form 3 by 2 1 k. For k not is equal to 0, it is a one dimensional space whose basis is given by 3 by 2 1. ఇది వన్ డైమెన్షనల్ ఎందుకంటున్నాం, దీంట్లో ఎన్ని వెక్టర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అని మనకి 1, కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ అ వన్ డైమెన్షనల్ వెక్టర్ స్పేస్ హూజ్ బేసిస్ ఈస్ 3 by 2 1. Okay, and next note here, the eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the entries on its main diagonal. Okay na, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏమంటున్నాడు చూడండి, వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రాబ్లం కింద ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నాడు, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ఎంట్రన్స్ పర్పస్. ద ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఆర్ ద ఎంట్రీస్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ మెయిన్ డయాగ్నల్. ఓకేనా, మనకి ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తెలుసు కదా, అప్పర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్, లోయర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో సీ హియర్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్, ద ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ 7 0 0 8 -4 0 1 5 2 ఆర్ ఇక్కడ ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఇది లోయర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో సీ హియర్, so this is lower triangular matrix. What is the condition here? The eigenvalues of a triangular matrix are the entries on its main diagonal. So దీంట్లో diagonal elements ఏమున్నాయి చూడండి, 7 so 7 -4 2. Okay na, this is the diagonal element. So in triangular matrix, upper triangular or lower triangular, we have to directly write down eigenvalues are 7 -4 2. And next matrix, see here, the eigenvalues of 3 -1 -1 0 3 6 0 0 4. This is upper triangular matrix. So see here, so in that diagonal elements are 3 3 4. ఓకేనా, సో లోయర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కానీ అప్పర్ ట్రయాంగులర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ వస్తే దానిలో ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ ఏమైతే మెయిన్ డయాగ్నల్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్సే మనకి ఐగన్ వాల్యూస్ అవుతాయి. సో ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఎంట్రన్స్ పర్పస్. సో నెక్స్ట్, ఈజ్ లాంబ్డా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అండ్ ఐగన్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ 3 2 3 8. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ here x bar. So a minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0. First of all, let a is equal to 3 2 3 8 and lambda is equal to 2. So substitute here a value, lambda value and x bar value. So a value is, a matrix is 3 2 3 8 minus 2 into 1 0 0 1 and x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. So we have to multiply with 2 with identity matrix and subtract with a. So 3 minus 2 1, 2 minus 0 2 and 3 minus 0 3, 8 minus 2 6, x1 x2 is equal to 0 0. So we have to write down the augmented matrix. So 1 2 0 3 6 0. So we have to do the operation here in R2 R3 by 3. So multiples of 3 here, so we have to multiply, we have to divide with R2 by 3. So first row is same, 1 2 0, and second row 3 by 3 1 and 6 by 2 6 by 3 2, so 0. So we have to do the operation in R2 minus R1. So R1 is same, 1 2 0 0 0 0. So write down equation, x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0. So here I am taking x2 is equal to k. So x1, substitute x2 is equal to k in above equation. So x1 plus 2k is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to minus 2k. So x bar is equal to x1 x2, that is equal to in x1 minus 2k and in x2 k. So write down k is outside, so minus 2 1. So x bar is equal to minus 2 1 into k is an eigenvector of a. This is the eigenvector for a. With respect to the eigenvalue, lambda is equal to 2. Okay, this is the problems in eigenvalues and eigenvectors. రెండు నిమిషాలు రిపీట్ చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. So today class, once again we have to repeat the all things. So first of all, eigenvalues, we have to go reverse. Okay, so eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So see here, eigenspace, first of all is eigenspace definition. If A is an n by n matrix and lambda is a scalar, then the set of all solutions of A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 is called the eigenspace of A corresponding to lambda. Okay, this is the eigenspace definition. What is the eigenspace definition? Simply, A is an n by n matrix and lambda is a scalar. Then the set of all solutions of A minus lambda into x bar is equal to 0 is called the eigenspace of A corresponding to lambda. This is the eigenspace. Okay, and next definition here, eigenvector. See here, let A be an n matrix, A be and a scalar lambda is called an eigenvalue of A. If there is a non-trivial solution x bar of A x bar is equal to lambda x bar, such an x bar is called a eigenvector corresponding to lambda. Okay, so most important here eigenvalues and eigenvectors. If A అనేది ఏంటి మనకి n by n matrix and then a non-zero vector x bar, ఇక్కడ ఒక నాన్ జీరో వెక్టార్ అనేది ఎక్స్ బార్ అనేది తీసుకుంటే అది ఏ కండిషన్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి? ఇక్కడ ఏఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ల్యాండా ఎక్స్ బార్ ఫర్ సమ్ స్కేలార్ ల్యాండా, దెన్ ఎక్స్ బార్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ eigen vector of A. This is the eigen vector definition. Okay, now A is an n by n matrix, lambda is a scalar, and here we have to take one non-zero vector x bar. That non-zero vector satisfying Ax bar is equal to lambda x bar for some scalars lambda, then x bar is called eigen vector of A. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వీటిపైన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసాం కదా, ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా ఇవాళ ఏం చూసాం మనం? ఓకే, చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బేసిస్ ఫ్రమ్ బీటా టు సి చూసాం. సో అది కూడా ఏం చేయాలి మీరు? ఫస్ట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద బేసిస్ బీటా యూజ్ చేసుకొని ఆఫ్టర్ ద వీ హ్యావ్ టు పీ బీటా టు సి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు. దాని తర్వాత దానికి ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? పీ సి టు బీటా వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు బేసిస్ సి టు విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద బేసిస్ బీటా. ఓకేనా, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం చూడాలి ఇవాళ? ఓకే, చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బేసిస్. సో చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ బేసిస్, సపోజ్ బీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు b1 bar b2 bar dash dash bn bar is a basis for B, and x bar is a vector in V. The coordinates of x bar related to the basis beta, the scalars c1 c2 dash dash cn, such that x bar is equal to c1 b1 bar plus c1 b1 bar plus c2 b2 bar plus up to 7 cn bn bar. So coordinates of x bar with respect to the basis beta is equal to, we have to write down the constant c1 c2 dash dash cn. So వీటిపైన కూడా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చూసాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో we will meet on next class. Okay na.